Hello guys, today I will show you one tool of installation in Kali Linux in Android. First you have to make your Kali Linux, your terminal in root. So for making root you have to type sudo su. Okay, you have to type sudo su for your root. After that make clear and make your terminal update and upgrade. For making process update and upgrade you have to type apt update and apt upgrade. So it will take some times guys, so make your Termux update and upgrade. So after making your Termux update and upgrade you have to type apt install python 3. Install the python 3 language in your terminal guys, so it is useful language. So after that you have to clone the tool. So cloning process you have to type get clone and paste this link I given in my Telegram channel guys, so please visit there. This is a very important tool guys, so please watch this video and press enter. I already installed this one guys, that's why it's showing for me like this. So make ls for the list and change directory for the cd and copy this one, copy it and paste it here and make again enter and clear your terminal. Now you are in the tool. Now inside the tool make ls. After that you have to type bash and linux install.sh. okay, after that make enter. It will take some time guys, it will install every tool, so please wait here. So it will install the every tool, each and every tool. It will take some time guys. Hey guys, it's successfully installed. So you have to use command, this command. Okay, copy it and paste it here. Just copy this one and press enter. After you pressing enter, there is a commands list. So in this video I will show you only the installation process here. So you want a full practical video, you can join in my Telegram channel guys, so I will put my full practical video there. So this tool is only for education purpose guys, and this video is only for education purpose guys. Thanks for watching. Yeah.